Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We haven't even met before. My name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have filmed this makeup look for you right here, which is super easy and simple and super bold and perfect for summer, and you can definitely switch up the colours if you want to. If you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in a little second with no makeup on. Bye! So today I fancy doing an orange and green makeup look, and I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette to do majority of the... I mentioned in my previous video I felt awkward using this palette before just because the whole drama had kind of just started and I just felt a bit awkward using the palette. But I have decided that I just want to do makeup and I don't really want to get involved in any drama. So I'm just going to jump in and use this palette because it is an amazing palette. Okay, so all thoughts aside, I am going to do pretty much an easy makeup look. Very easy. So I'm going to go in with the shade 518, which is the orangey shade at the top of the palette right there. And I am going to pop that all over the lid and basically just do a one colour eye look all over the lid. Yes, and I am going to take that on a Morphe M513 brush. I'm just going to start by packing it and then just blending it up through the crease and kind of pulling it out towards the tail of the eye. So I'm just going to pack that onto the lid and build up the colour gradually. I've already primed my lid and done my brows, as you can see, and I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond for like my eyeshadow primer and to carve the brows. Set that with a little bit of the More Beauty powder, and then the brows I've got the Bellapierre dark brown brow pencil, deep brown. I'll start by blending that through the crease, pulling it upwards. It's almost just like a wash of colour. Now I'm going to take some of that under the lower lash line. Next I'm going to take my Revolution Conceal and Correct concealer in the shade White and use this to kind of draw a winged liner, which I am going to set with a bright green eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take an angled brush like this, load up the brush, and then do my best to do a very neat winged liner. Hopefully this goes okay. Okay, I have it all in my eyelashes. Probably should have wiped it off. Oh no, this is going horribly wrong. That line is way too thick. Oh! Okay, actually we can kind of make it work, I think. Yeah, we can make this work. I'm then going to take this bright green shadow right here, which is called Social Blade, to kind of set this white line and hopefully make it look all cool. And the brush I'm using is this teeny tiny Anastasia Beverly Hills No. 3 brush. Right, so I'm back with the other eye done. I'm now going to pop this through the waterline. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Gotcha. I'm going to pop that in the waterline. So I'm going to try and put it on the upper waterline a little bit so it kind of like blends in together. I'm just going to take a packer brush and just smudge the orange under my lower lash line even heavier because I want it to be more intense. I'll probably top this up once I've done my face makeup as well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and then pop on some mascara. I'm using the rest of this mini Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. Then I'm going to pop some lashes on off screen. These are the Suzanne Jackson Primark lashes in the style Kylie. They're kind of long and spiky and I think they'll complement this look nicely. So lashes are now on. Now it's time to move on to my face. I'm just going to quickly prep the skin using my vitamin E hydrating mist from Superdrug. I just love a refreshing mist. I'm just going to fan that dry with my hand. Now for primer, I'm going to take this teeny tiny little sample of my Too Faced Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer. I've been really loving this recently and I think when I've run out of all my samples, I'm going to go and grab the real thing. So yeah, I'm going to take this little primer here and then just work it into the skin. Then for my foundation, I'm going to take my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation in the shade Light Beige. Just pop this all over my face using my Damp Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Now I'm going to do a bit of cream contouring and I'm going to take the Bellapierre Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Dark Deep. I'm just going to take the contour side. I'm going to use this to contour my face, so under my cheekbones, around the top of my forehead, and a bit under my jaw, under my lip, and then down the sides of my nose. This just helps to add some shape to the face, just define things a little bit more. Then I'm going to blend it into the skin using my Smashbox Cream Cheek Brush. Then I'm going to pop some concealer on and I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond and I'm going to pop some of this on my chin, down the centre of my nose, a little bit on the tip, middle of the forehead and of course under my eyes. Bit too much on that side but we'll work it out. Then of course blend it in with the Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm going to pop a little bit of cream highlight on. This is the Bellapierre Liquid Gold Rose Gold Highlighter thingy. And I'm going to pop some of this on the tops of my cheekbones using my ring finger. Honestly taking the tiniest amount and then just blending it in with my finger. So I'm going to go back to my roots and set my highlighter before I do the rest of my face. I'm going to be taking my Sleek Makeup Solstice palette and mixing these two shades right here for my highlight. I'm taking it on my Zoeva Pro Luxe Fusion powder brush, okay? And then I'm just going to pop this on the tops of my cheekbones where I put that liquid highlight. Yes! Pack that on there. Then I'm going to set my face using my Etmol Beauty Mineral Complexion Powder. Just using a big fluffy powder brush, I'm just going to stamp this into the skin. Now I haven't really been into powder contour at the moment, I've been into just putting bronzer on. But obviously I've got a little bit of definition going on from the cream contour. But I'm going to take my Kiko Flawless Fusion bronzer in the shade number 3 to bronze up my face. I'm going to be taking it on my very old and battered Sigma F25 tapered face brush. Then for blush, I'm going to take a super bright blush. This is the Sleek Makeup Blush by 3 Lace palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Chantilly, which is this kind of like almost neon coral colour right here. I'm going to pop that on the apples of my cheeks using this little Primark blush brush. I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on my lower lashes. For lips, I'm going to line them using Revlon's Pink Rose Lip Liner. Then for lips, I'm going to take the Bellapierre lipstick in the shade Aloha. Then I'm going to top that with Bellapierre's Holographic Lip Gloss in the shade Jupiter, I believe. Where are the shade names? I forget. Oh, it literally says it right there. Jupiter Holographic Lip Gloss. And this is the finished makeup look. It's super summery and bright. It's actually really easy to recreate, and you could definitely switch up the colours if you wanted to. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world. Leave me a comment below letting me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. Have a fabulous day and week, and I shall see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Now I'm going to take some of that under the... Then I'm going to pop some concealer on, and I'm good. And then I'm going to top that with Bellapierre's... If you did enjoy it...